Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're out here with an AK, with my AK-47. This is here with this folded. Hey guys, now we're gonna shoot it. Shoot this Amazon box. It's pretty windy, so I may not hit them all. There's the gun. Okay, so now we're gonna wind it up. Alright, gets them ready to go out. So. Put in the magazine. Now we're gonna try to shoot that Amazon box. First, we're gonna use a semi-automatic. So I'll prop y'all guys. Okay, now we're gonna shoot it. So first, we're gonna use semi-automatic. Okay, so now we'll go check it on semi-automatic. I was kind of aiming right here in the middle, right there. Oh, some of the. So I don't think it pierced it because I had another box inside of it. So you can still kind of really see the little plastic BB. So now we're gonna use full auto. Now we're gonna use full auto. Yeah, so. Right here. Well, that was full auto. So full auto, I kind of just shot it around a lot. You can see some of these are still intact. Let's see, this is one that went in the side of the cardboard and it still works. So make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one.